Ang pagpupursigihan ko 'yan.
Mm.
So, kinapalan ko yung mukha ko, sabi ko, what I did was I told my boss
Mm.
na, "Hey, do you have time after the meeting?" Kasi
Hmm.
in-announce na, eh, na hiring nga internal team lead
Mm.
and then sabi ko, "I think this is my time." Sabi kong
Mm.
gano'n. I forgot the other exact words that I've said pero sabi ko sa kanya, "I can see myself leading people because I really have this personality of just purely helping them." In a
Mm.
way na sharing my knowledge and all. And during that time kasi, 'di ba, we have this parang group channel na parang magtatanong dun yung mga new hires and then ako
Mm.
sumasagot-sagot ako. I would tend to share my knowledge talaga. Ayoko siyang sarilihin, lalo na kung kaya ko
Mm.
naman tulungan. And most of
Mm.
the time kapagka gano'n, support lang ang nag-a-answer pero nagha-hop in talaga ako kasi I would I always have this thinking na ang hirap 'no, kailangan tumulong ka kasi dun ka din naman nanggaling.